How's it going, everybody? Tyler here. Well, I'm not in South Africa right now, but we'll talk about it. So I'm actually in Milwaukee, Wisconsin this week. A little bit different. I'm in Milwaukee for Irish Fest that they hold every third weekend in August, I think it is. Milwaukee Irish Fest is, I think, the biggest Irish festival on the planet, I think. Bigger than the Irish ones? I don't know. But it's awesome. It's huge. It's 4 days of amazing music, food, people. Just, it's awesome. Maddie and I are going with my family and Maddie's family. They're coming for the first time ever to see it. They really haven't been exposed to too much Irish culture yet, so it's going to be a whole lot right there, all at once. It's going to be a blast. But I wanted to shoot this quick video just to kind of let y'all know something really cool that's happening at the end of the month. I will be flying over to Durban, South Africa for 2 weekends to teach Irish dance there. It's gonna be really cool. And if you're wondering how that happened, it all happened during COVID. During the pandemic, during the downtime we all had when nobody could teach or dance or do any of it in person. We all adopted this technology called Zoom, and not my favorite program, but one really cool thing about it was it really kind of opened my network, basically, to be able to work with people much farther away than I was living. You know, I help out a lot of schools and dancers here in the States and Canada, but that's, you know, that's kind of as far as it goes. But because of Zoom, you could do that anywhere, you know, granted, you know, time zones are a thing. But yeah, so this school reached out to me from South Africa, wondering if I could help out on Zoom, and it became a little bit of like a monthly check-in, a monthly workshop-y class that then continued onward, and we got talking about, you know, when and if the world goes back to normal, we might be able to do something like this in person. And then, you know, things aren't perfect now, but, you know, the window's opened a little bit. And so this has been kind of planned in the works for the past few months. But yeah, I'm super excited to work with the dancers there. Super excited to go there. I've never been to the continent of Africa at all, so pretty excited. Figured I'd let you guys know. That being said, the content and videos and the channel is gonna keep going. Plenty of videos on its way. I just dropped a treble jig video this week. Really fun one that's piggybacking off the first treble jig we taught. So if you haven't seen that, give that a look. Let me know how it looks. Hopefully I had fun with that, and more videos are to come. But let me know if you'd like me to do any videos while I'm down there, while I'm over in South Africa. I think it could be pretty fun, pretty cool. I sure would love to, but just let me know. Thanks again to all of you for supporting the channel, watching these videos, hitting those likes, and spreading the videos. I really appreciate it. I have so much fun making these videos and can't wait to make more of them. But for now, I will see you all in the next video. Happy dancing.
Huge shout out and thank you to everyone who's taken their support of this channel to the next level, either by becoming a patron over on Patreon or becoming a member of the channel. For more information about how you can support the channel more, check the description below the video. Thanks and have a good one.